has a checking light and it's blinking. It has a misfire, a random misfire, and a P0304 misfire for cylinder 4. So first we recommend spark plugs as part of our maintenance, but also we swap number 4 to number 3 and number 2 to number 1. And while we were watching the misfire graph, the misfire follow. So now misfires on number 3 and misfires on number 1. So we're doing 2 coils and a spark plugs, and we're getting OEM parts like I always do. We're doing Bosch coils and NGK iridium spark plugs. Here's the new ones. Here's the old ones. There you go. After repairs, there's no more misfire, and the check-in light is not blinking. That's good. There you go.